If you've spent more than 5 minutes on Telegram, you've almost certainly had some random account DM you pretending to be support, offering fake crypto giveaways, or trying to shill some obvious scam. And you've probably wondered, how do these guys get that glaring red scam tag slapped across their profile? Can you just report them once and magic happens? Well, it takes a bit more than a single click. Let's break down how the reporting system actually works and what you can do to help get a scammer flagged. First things first, you have to use Telegram's native reporting tool. There's no secret admin button or magic command you can type. Open up the chat with the scammer, tap on their profile picture or name to go to their main info page, and look for those three little menu dots. Hit Report. Now, don't just blindly tap spam and walk away. If you want Telegram's moderation team to actually look at it and consider a scam label, you need to select Fake or Scam, depending on what they're pulling. From there, Telegram will prompt you to select specific messages as proof. Tap every single message where they asked for money, crypto, or login details. That evidence bundle goes straight to the moderation queue. Here's the reality check that most people don't realize. Telegram handles millions of accounts, and automated systems or small review queues mean a single report rarely triggers a scam tag overnight. That red label usually only appears when an account accumulates a massive wave of reports from multiple different users for the exact same predatory behavior. That's why community coordination matters. If a scam account is running wild in a public group you're in, the best thing you can do is tell other members to report them too. Volume is what forces Telegram's automated safety filters to step in and review the account for a permanent tag. Long story short, you can't manually brand someone a scammer yourself, but you can feed the evidence into Telegram's system so they get caught. Stay safe out there, don't click weird links, and if this helped clear things up, hit that like button. See you in the next one.